Welcome to the GeneArt Services Dashboard, which is powered by the GeneArt Instant Designer application and GeneArt Gene Optimizer algorithm. In this video, we will show how to configure and optimize your custom cloned genes. After importing your sequences, you have the opportunity to review construct configurations, optimize each sequence for improved expression, and review the final order. The imported sequences are listed on the left, and you can see the configurations for the highlighted sequence in the central panel. The vector and delivery quantity chosen on the previous screen have been carried over, though these can still be changed prior to placing your order. In the right-hand panel, you can review both the DNA and protein sequence. A plasmid view is also available. Moving to the next sequence, a different vector and plasmid prep size can be selected from the Review tab. You may notice insertion points are not required. This is because this vector has a predefined insertion site. Now move to the Optimize tab and select a host organism. Next, select or manually enter the ORF. Since we are identifying codons in this step, you'll be notified by an error if your input is not divisible by 3. Once the error is resolved, you can apply. Now you can see both the DNA and the corresponding protein sequence in the right-hand panel. You may want to protect different aspects of your sequence prior to optimization. You can protect existing cloning sites by selecting from the list. This is a toggle to add or remove sites. You can protect regions if desired. Each of the selected sequences will not be changed during optimization. You can also define motifs to avoid in the final sequence, such as unique cloning sites or known regulatory sequences in your experimental system. Finally, click Optimize Sequence. Once optimization is complete, you can see the plasmid view. You can also review the quality graphs. This analysis shows codon quality before and after optimization in a few different formats. Moving back to the first sequence, we see the host organism is already defined, along with the ORF. In this case, the protein sequence was uploaded and optimization has already been performed at the pre-import step to generate the DNA sequence. The first construct is complete. With both constructs configured, now you can look at the order overview. The GeneArt Instant Designer tool will automatically assign the best price and turnaround time based on the complexity of the sequence and options selected. For each item, you can see the vectors and plasmid preps selected. You can also select add-ons, like expedited service or glycerol stock. In the summary, you can see the project price and estimated production time. You also have an opportunity to download a summary. Check the box acknowledging the terms and conditions to proceed. The file will appear in your downloaded files. If everything looks good, you can add to cart. Here, you will have a final chance to review details of your constructs and proceed to checkout or generate an instant web quote. A web quote is an excellent way to ensure your custom constructs are designed exactly how you want them before handing off to your purchaser.